Coordinates of the point which divides the line segment joining the points -1 comma 7 and 4 comma -3, okay, in the ratio 2:3. Here find the coordinates, okay, of the point which divides the line segment joining the points -1 comma 7, 4 comma -3. Here, this is line segment joining the points A -1 comma 7, B 4 comma -3. Okay, find the coordinates of the point, internal point. This is P x comma y. Ratio is AB equals to 2, PB equals to 3. Okay, AB is to PB equals to 2:3. Now find the coordinates of the point. Okay, to find P value. Okay, now section formula. Okay, section formula. Px comma y equals to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2. Comma m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. This is section formula. Okay, what is section formula? A line segment joining the points x1 y1 x2 y2, okay, in the ratio m1 is to m2 is m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2, m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. Okay, P x comma y equals to, otherwise simply 2 into first coordinate. What is that? 2 into 4 plus 3 into here first coordinate 3 into -1 by 2 plus 3. Next second coordinate 2 into -3 plus 3 into 7 by 2 plus 3. Okay, that is 8, 2 4s are 8, minus 3 by 5, minus 6 plus 21 by 5. Okay, 8 minus 3, 5 by 5, 15 by 5. 5 ones are 5 3s are, that is 1 comma 3. The point P x comma y equals to 1 comma 3. Very important. Find the coordinates of the points, not point, okay, plural, of trisection of the line segment joining 4 comma -1 and -2 comma -3. Okay, trisection. Okay, simply, okay, trisection means 1:2 and trisection means 1:2 and 2:1. The ratio is 1:2 and 2:1. Here the line segment, what is the line segment? Joining the points, okay, A 4 comma -1, B -2 comma -3. Here trisection means 3 equal parts. Okay, that is P point and Q point. Okay, P point and Q point. Okay, AB equals to PQ equals to QB. 1 part, 2 parts, 3 parts. Trisection means 3 parts. 3 parts means, for example, here P equals to 1. Left side is 1 part, right side is 2 parts. Okay, 1:2. Okay, that is, okay, section formula P x comma y equals to, direct P x comma y equals to 1 into this one. Okay, 1 into first coordinate, 1 into -2 plus 2 into first coordinate, 2 into 4 by 1 plus 2. Same, 1 into -3 second coordinates plus 2 into -1 by 1 plus 2. That is -2 plus 8 by 3, -3 minus 2 by 3. Okay, 6 by 3 minus 5 by 3. 6 by 3 means 3 ones are 3 twos are 2 comma minus 1 5 by 3. This is P point. Now Q point. Q is the line segment joining the points A 4 comma minus 1, B minus 2 comma minus 3. Okay, here P over. Now Q x comma y. Left side is how many parts? 2. Right side 1. AQ equals to 2. QB equals to 1 part. 2 is to 1. Okay. Q x comma y equals to 2 into first coordinate. 2 into minus 2 plus 1 into first coordinate. 1 into 4 by 2 plus 1. Same one. 2 into second coordinate. Okay, y value 2 into minus 3 plus 1 into second coordinate minus 1 by 2 plus 1. Okay, that is minus 4 plus 4 by 3. Okay, next minus 6 minus 1 by 3. 4 cancel. 0 comma minus 7 by 3. That is Q. In which the line segment joining the points minus 3 comma 10 and 6 comma minus 8 is divided by minus 1 comma 6. Okay, same ratio. Ratio means simply section formula. We use section formula. What is section formula? M1 x2 plus M2 x1 by M1 plus M2 comma M1 y2 plus M2 y1 by M1 plus M2. Okay, that is section formula. Ratio. Okay, here the line segment. Okay, the line segment joining the points. What is given? The points are minus 3 comma 10, B 6 comma minus 8. Here internal point given, P point given, minus 1 comma 6 given. Find ratio M1 M2. Okay, find out here. Okay, here 1 2 3 total 4 values. Any 3 is given. Now we have to find fourth value. Okay, 1 point 2 3 ratio is 4. Okay, total 4. Okay, any 3 given. Okay, to find fourth one. Okay, that is use section formula. Ratio means we use section formula. Okay, now P minus 1 comma 6 equals to, what is section formula? Simply M1 into first coordinate, M1 into 6 plus M2 into in this first coordinate. What is that? Minus 3 by M1 plus M2. Same as this. M1 into second coordinate, second position. M1 into minus 8 plus M2 into second coordinate. What is that? 10 by M1 plus M2. Okay, P minus 1 comma 6 equals to, okay, minus 1 comma 6 equals to 6 M1 minus 3 M2 by M1 plus M2 comma minus 8 M1 plus 10 M2 by M1 plus M2. Okay, now equating the coordinates. Okay, your wish. Okay, first coordinate or second. Okay, if anyone. 6 M1 minus 3 M2 by M1 plus M2 equals to minus 1. Or second coordinate equals to second coordinate. Okay, no need, only one enough. Okay, 6 M1 minus 3 M2 equals to cross multiplication. Minus 1 into M1 plus M2. Next, 6 M1 minus 3 M2 equals to minus M1 minus M2. Multiply with minus. 6 M1 minus 3 M2 equals to minus 1 into M1 minus M1 minus 1 into M2 minus M2. M1 left side changes. Okay, M2 right side. 6 M1. Okay, minus M1 changes plus M1 equals to minus M2 minus 3 M2 changes plus 3 M2. 6m1 plus m1, 7m1 equals to minus m2 plus 3m2, that is 2m2. Okay, now m1, here m2 is multiplication, now change into division, equals to 2, 7 is multiplication, now change into division, now m1 is to m2 equals to 2 is to 7. Suppose if is it correct or not. Okay, 2 is to 7 is correct or not. Substitute this value instead of m1 equals to 2, m2 equals to 7. Okay, okay, here m1 6 into 2 12 minus 3 into 7 14. Okay, 12 minus 14, sorry, 6 into m1, 6 into 2 12 minus 3 into 7 21 by m1 plus m2 9. 12 minus 21 is minus 9 by 9, minus 1. Minus 1 is correct. Okay, that is 2 is to 7. Okay, here line segment joining the points given, first and last given, internal point also given. Now to find ratio. Okay, ratio means that is section formula. We use section formula. What is section formula? m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2, m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. Otherwise, okay, simply you draw line segment joining the points first and last, internal point. Okay, now ratio, okay, we don't know ratio, let m1 is to m2. Simply internal point equals to minus 1 comma 6 equals to m1 into here first coordinate plus m2 into first coordinate by the sum of ratios m1 plus m2. m1 into this is second position, right? m1 into second position plus m2 into second position by m1 plus m2. Now we calculate equating the coordinates. First coordinate, that is abscissa equal or ordinate equal, your wish. Okay, take any one. So minus 1 equals to, I calculate this one, minus 1 equals to 6m1 minus 3m2 by m1 plus m2, or second coordinate equal. Now we find, okay, m1 is to m2 equals to 2 is to 7. If 1 comma 2, 4 comma y, x comma 6 and 3 comma 5 are the vertices of a parallelogram taken in order, find x and y. Now this is parallelogram. Simply parallelogram properties, midpoint, diagonals, midpoints are equal. A, here order is given 1 comma 2, B 4 comma y, C x comma 6, D 3 comma 5. Okay, diagonals, midpoints are equal. This is O. Okay, that means midpoint of AC equals to midpoint of BD. Okay, what is midpoint? A, what is A? A is 1 comma 2, C is x comma 6. Okay, now B equals to 4 comma y, D 3 comma 5. 3 comma 5. Now midpoint formula, x1 plus x2 by 2, that is 1 plus x by 2, comma y1 plus y2 by 2, 2 plus 6 by 2 equals to, here also same, x1 plus x2 by 2, 4 plus 3 by 2, next one y plus 5 by 2. Equating the coordinates. Okay, now first one, 1 plus x by 2 equals to 4 plus 3 by 2. First coordinate. Okay, second coordinate, 2 plus 6 by 2 equals to y plus 5 by 2. Denominator cancels. Okay, denominator cancel. Now 1 plus x equals to 4 plus 3, 7. X equals to 7 plus 1 changes, minus 1. X equals to 6. Next one, 2 plus 6, 8 equals to y plus 5. Right, reverse. Y plus 5 equals to 8. plus 5 changes, y equals to 8 minus 5, y equals to 3. Okay, simply shortcut method. Okay, shortcut. Here x value, first we find x value. Okay, now opposite here x equals to here x is, what is x? First coordinate or second coordinate? First coordinate. Okay, leave opposite first position. Remaining okay, another diagonal first two positions add. What is that? 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4. Now opposite first coordinate subtract. That is 7 minus 1, 6. X equals to 6. Now y means here leave opposite. Now remaining second coordinates. What are second coordinates? 2 and 6. Now add 2 plus 6. Now opposite second coordinate is subtract. That is 5. 8 minus 5. That is 3. Y equals to 3. Simply shortcut. Okay. Find the coordinates of a point A where AB is the diameter of a circle whose center is 2 comma minus 3 and B is 1 comma 4. Okay, here your circle. Okay, AB is the diameter. Okay, this is center A. Okay, not given x comma y. B is given 1 comma 4 and center also given O 2 comma minus 3. Okay, O is the midpoint of AB. Okay, here AO is the radius and OB is also radius. Okay, radius are equal. Okay, that means O is the midpoint of AB. Okay, now 2 comma minus 3 equals to, now AB midpoint. What is midpoint formula? x1 plus x2 by 2. That x plus 1 by 2. Next y plus 4 by 2. Y plus 4 by 2. Midpoint equals to. Now equating the coefficient, equating the coordinates. Equating the coordinates. Okay. Now first one equals to first one. X plus 1 by 2 equals to 2. And second coordinate equal. Y plus 4 by 2 equals to minus 3. Now x plus 1 equals to 2 into 2, 4. X equals to 4 plus 1 changes minus 1. X equals to 3. Okay, here 2 is division. Now divided by changes multiplication. 2 2s are 4. X plus 1 equals to 4. Okay, variable one side, constant one side. Okay, plus 1 changes minus 1. X equals to 4 minus 1. X equals to 3. Next, y plus 4 equals to, here 2 is division change into multiplication. Minus 3 into 2. Y plus 4 equals to minus 6. Y equals to minus 6. Plus 4 changes minus 4. Y equals to minus 10. Therefore, okay, A equals to 3 comma minus 10. And B are minus 2 comma minus 2 and 2 minus 4 respectively. Find the coordinates of P on AB such that AB equals to 3 by 7 AB. AB equals to 3 out of 7. Okay, total how many parts? 7 parts. Okay, like this. Simply AB is the line segment. Rough. A, this one is B. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, AB equals to 3 by 7. 1, 2, 3. This is P part. Okay, AB equals to, okay, 3 by 7 AB. Okay, AB. Total 7 parts. Okay. P is, okay, AB equals to 3 parts, 1, 2, 3, okay, and AB equals to, total AB equals to 7 parts, PB equals to 4 parts. And that means AB is to PB equals to, here AB equals to 3 by 7 AB. Now AB is to PB equals to 3 is to 4. AP is 3, PB equals to 4. Okay, but what is given? AP equals to 3, AB equals to 7. Okay, AB equals to 3 parts. AB equals to 7 parts, and AB equals to 7 means PB equals to 4 parts. Okay, total 3 plus 4, total 7 parts. Okay, now the ratio is 3 is to 4. Okay. Now A equals to how much given? Minus 2 comma minus 2. B equals to 2 comma minus 4. Now P point, we find P point. Okay, Px comma y equals to 3 into first one. 3 into first coordinate is 2. 4 into first coordinate plus 4 into minus 2 by the sum of two ratios 3 plus 4. Same model, 3 into second coordinate position 3 into minus 4 plus 4 into here second coordinate minus 2 by 3 plus 4. Okay. Px comma y equals to 3 into 2 6 plus 4 into minus 2 minus 8 by 7 minus 12 minus 8 by 7. Okay, x comma y, Px comma y equals to minus 1 by minus 2 by 7 minus 20 by 7. Find the coordinates of points which divide the line segment joining the points minus 4 comma 0, 0 comma 6 into 4 equal parts. Okay, this is line segment. Okay, line segment joining the points A minus 4 comma 0, B 0 comma 6. This is 4 equal parts divided. Okay. 4 equal parts means 1, 2, 3. Okay, this is P, Q, R. Okay, AB is one part, PQ, and AP equals to PQ equals to QR equals to RB. This is equal parts. Okay, PQ and first AP, PQ, QR, RB. Okay, this is 4 equal parts. Okay, first we find Q. Okay, Q is the midpoint of AB, exact middle value, midpoint of AB, Q x comma y equals to. Okay, midpoint formula is x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. First one plus first one, that is minus 4 plus 0 by 2. Second plus second by 2, that is 0 plus 6 by 2. Okay, Q x comma y equals to minus 4 by 2, 6 by 2. 2 1s are 2 3s, so 2 2s are. 2 1s are 2 3s are. That is minus 2 comma 3. This is Q value. What is Q? Minus 2 comma 3. Minus 2 comma 3. Now to find P value. What is P? P is the midpoint of AQ. Okay, P is the midpoint of AQ. P is the midpoint of AQ. Okay, now P equals to, what is AQ? Here first one plus first one by 2. Okay, that is minus 4 minus 2 by 2. Second one plus second one by 2. 0 plus 3 by 2. P equals to minus 6 by 2 comma 3 by 2. Cutting here 2 1s are 2 3s are. P equals to minus 3 comma 3 by 2. P is over. Next R. R means midpoint of QB. Okay. R is the midpoint of QB. Now r equals to, what is midpoint formula? x1 plus x2 by 2, first one plus first one, minus 2 plus 0 by 2. Okay, second one plus second one by 2, 3 plus 6 by 2. R equals to minus 2 by 2, 9 by 2. 2 cancel. Okay, R equals to minus 1 comma 9 by 2. This is R over. Okay, find the coordinates of the points, not points, which divides the line segment joining A minus 2 comma 2 and B 2 comma 8 into 4 equal parts. Okay, suppose this is line segment. Okay, line segment. Okay, A minus 2 comma 2, B 2 comma 8. Okay, joining the points A minus 2 comma 2, okay, to B 2 comma 8, 4 equal parts. Okay, 4 equal parts means, okay, one AB middle point. Okay, this is P for example, or Q. Okay, your wish. Okay, now AB midpoint, PB midpoint. Okay, suppose this is P Q R. Okay, P is the midpoint of AB. Next, Q is the midpoint of AP. Okay, next one, R is the midpoint of PB. Okay, otherwise P Q R. Okay, your wish letters. P Q R. Q is the midpoint of AB. Okay, P is the midpoint of AQ. R is the midpoint of QB. Okay, first we find Q point. Okay, Q is the midpoint of AB. Okay, now Q equals to midpoint formula x1 plus x2 by 2, first coordinate plus first coordinate by 2, second coordinate plus second coordinate by 2, 2 plus 8 by 2. This is Q. Q equals to minus 2 plus 2 cancel, 0 comma 10 by 2, cutting, 10 ones are 2 5s are. Q equals to 0 comma 5. Okay, Q is over. Now P point, what is P? P is the midpoint of AQ. Okay, P is the midpoint of AQ. Now P equals to here first coordinate plus first coordinate by 2, minus 2 plus 0 by 2. Next, second coordinate plus second coordinate by 2, that is 2 plus 5 by 2. P equals to minus 2 by 2, 7 by 2. 2 ones are 2 ones are. P equals to minus 1 comma 7 by 2. This is P point, minus 1 comma 7 by 2. Okay, now R. Okay, R is the midpoint of QB. Okay, R is the midpoint of QB. Now R equals to midpoint 0 plus 2, first one plus first one by 2, abscissa plus abscissa by 2. Okay, second ordinate plus second ordinate by 2, 5 plus 8 by 2. R equals to 2 by 2, 13 by 2. 2 ones are cancel. R equals to 1 comma 13 by 2. This is R. Coordinates of the point. Okay, point means only single. Okay, it's a singular which divides the line segment joining the points. Okay, here points. This is line segment. Okay, first point is, what is that point? First point A plus B comma A minus B. B point is A minus B comma A plus B. Okay, now internal point. Now we find internal point x comma y. Ratio is given 3:2 given. Okay, section formula. What is section formula? m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2. Okay, comma m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. Okay, simply px comma y equals to, now multiplication, 3 into first coordinate. What is that? 3 into a minus b plus 2 into, in this first coordinate, what is that? A plus b by 3 plus 2. Okay, next 3 into second coordinate a plus b plus 2 into second coordinate, what is that? A minus b by 3 plus 2. Okay, p x comma y equals to, now multiplication, 3 into a 3a minus 3 into b 3b plus 2 into a 2a plus 2 into b 2b by 3 plus 2 5. Next 3 into a 3a plus 3 into b 3b plus 2 into a 2a minus 2 into b 2b by 3 plus 2 5. P x comma y equals to, here 3a plus 2a 5a. Okay, minus 3b plus 2b minus b by 5. Next 3a plus 2a 5a, 3b minus 2b, that is b by 5. Okay, centroid means, okay, like triangle shape. Okay, 3 points are given. Okay, simply this is minus 1 comma 3, 6 comma minus 3, minus 3 comma 6. Okay, median lines intersect, the point is centroid. Okay, this is centroid. Okay, centroid formula is, okay, what is that centroid formula? Centroid equals to G equals to x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. Okay, first add all first coordinates. What is that? Minus 1 plus 6 minus 3 by 3. Next add second coordinates. What is second coordinates? 3 minus 3 plus 6 by 3. Okay, here 6 minus 1 minus 3 minus 4. Okay, 6 minus 4 by 3. Here plus 3 minus 3 cancel, 6 by 3. Now cutting, this is 6 minus 4 means 2 by 3. 3 ones are, 3 twos are, that is 2. This is centroid. Okay, next one. Okay, triangle. And here first one, a 6 comma 2. Okay, b 0 comma 0, c 4 comma minus 7. Median lines intersect, the point is, okay, here 3 median lines are intersect, that point is G, centroid. Okay, centroid. G equals to, formula is x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. That is all first coordinates, 6 0 4, 6 plus 0 plus 4 by 3. All second coordinates, 2 plus 0 minus 7 by 3, that is 10 by 3, 2 minus 7 minus 5 by 3. This is centroid. 0 6 minus 3 comma 0. Okay, centroid means here 3 points are given. A 1 comma minus 1, B 0 comma 6, C minus 3 comma 0. Median lines intersect, that point is centroid G. Now centroid formula, G equals to x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. And now x1 means all first coordinates, 1 plus 0 minus 3 by 3, right? Sign as it is, minus 1 plus 6 plus 0 by 3. Okay, that is 1 minus 3 means minus 2 by 3. Minus 1 plus 6 means 5 by 3. This is right.